Clean this shower with me while I give you all my tips and tricks, what I've learned being a housekeeper. And in all honesty, I learned most of this from my grandma. Growing up, that woman made us keep a very clean house. And I'm very grateful to her for it, because she taught me how to clean, for real clean. Not just the superficial, make it shine clean, but get in there clean. Product usage. And I'm not going to lie, I didn't want to learn this. I was that teenager. I pushed back. I rebelled. I'm still very rebellious, but it stuck, thankfully, because here I am, running my little eco-friendly cleaning business. This tool right here, this is an electric scrubber. And my elbow, I'm no spring chicken over here. And the more scrubbing I do, the worse it gets. So this thing is such a lifesaver. I'm able to really press down on it too, and it does not lose its strength. It does take about 8 hours to charge, so I cannot forget to charge it before bed. But it'll get me through 6 showers, just like this, before I really do need to charge it. So that's amazing. Then my steamer. This is a spin mop steamer, and want to talk about saving you some elbow grease. It's amazing. It's scrubbing as it's steaming. So doing it, I've done it both ways. I've done it before I scrubbed, and I've done it after I've scrubbed. And honestly, either way works. It's really your preference. I did it after here only because I like to steam the excess chemicals that I've used on the glass, which is citric acid, off. I just don't want any residual leftovers for this natural stone. So that's why I did it after this time. But typically I do it first, and it's just the best. Now, I didn't spray that stone with citric acid. I did it with the foam spray, which is safe for it. But I did put citric acid on the glass, and I'm sure some of it ran down. So the steam just helps make sure that all of that is gone and not sitting there on that stone. Now, with the glass, I always go over it with rags, and I wipe it and I clean it, and then I use the glass cleaner. And again, with just rags, I wipe and dry it. Gives it a pretty good shine there, but it's streaky. There's probably even some lint left over on it, but I don't worry about it. I just go through and I dry the rest of the shower, because I'm going to come back through and I'm going to use a microfiber cloth, and I am going to really shine up that glass. But it's clean right now, and that's the point, is I need to get it clean. There was some rust in that drain that I got out, and look at that. I really was able to get most of that out. Keep in mind, I also clean this house monthly, so we keep it pretty maintained now. It can start off pretty dirty. There's, a dirty job here, so there's a collection always, and we just get it out now. It took me a couple of visits of working at it to really get out that built up hard water and soap scum that had just kind of stuck there. Now it just comes out every time I'm here without much effort and without a lot of product. We're about done with this shower, just shining up the outside with the glass cleaner and a rag. And like I said, we're going to do that microfiber. Saw a few smudges in there, so I went ahead and got those off. I was really hoping in the video you would see that real clear shine, but it looks the same to me. I don't know, maybe you guys see it differently, but there it is, all done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and come on back. We're going to post a lot more new content.